Ayun, so salamat guys sa araw na to. Thank you talaga. So again, thank you for making time. I mean, this is also memorable to me. And I hope sa lahat din sa atin nandito na first time natin magkakasama-sama talaga. And I hope you find this special, memorable, and I hope this will be one of your parang memorable experience sa GOC and part ng team natin. So again, thank you. So I could not thank yung specific persons who contributed, prepared all of this, sa mga leads ninyo, to everyone. It's quite talaga exhausting, and also parang yung anxiety ko, sabi ko, ano ko ba kinakailangan, ano pa ba yung but you saw na I want all of us to enjoy gastos-free, right? And ayun, memorable is yung mga things that we consider in terms of getting this program and getting this day set up for everyone. So I hope everyone enjoy this day, nights, and marami pa tayong Jollibee na uubusin. So, so thank you everyone, thank you.
Thank you so much, Terrence, for the opening remarks. And now, we will now going to proceed with the award ceremony. Sweet girl lang. Pero, itong award na to ay syempre nanggaling sa yung mga teammate or mga teammate. Dinominate nila yung mga pangalan. So, let's start with Cloud CIR. Okay, with certificate recognition, Mr. Potential Man Award is proudly presented to Dave Lincoln. So, ano yung sabihin Mr. Potential Man? Mr. Potential Man Award is given to this employee in acknowledgement and his unwavering dedication. Even though he is often quiet and reserved, congratulations, Dave. I would like to go on our thanks. May potential siya sa puso ko. Check lang. Isang award. Ano yan? Ay, parang may kuto yan.
Alamin mo nga kasi yung pinaka-sexy dito.
Hindi na kailangan ko siya may kuto talaga.
Hindi ko nagkakuto siya kakabilan niya sa beach kasi siya ay si Boracay Beach Dog Boss Award. Sino kaya ito? Sino? Wala kayo wala? Adi mo. Tigilan mo na yung pag-ahawak ng kanan dahil ang award nito ay proudly presented to Jezebel de la Torre. Nakalagay dito, this award celebrates our amazing colleague who's diligently sculpting the way. Inch waistline, all in anticipation of their well-deserved Boracay escape.
Ayan, nagawagin namin si Miss Mao.
Congratulations, Jezebel! Pwede mo na maging Serena.
Again, guys, thank you so much, Jezebel and Miss Mao. Okay, our next award is Road Warrior Award. So, ano yung Road Warrior Award? Sabi dito, Road Warrior Award is given to this employee for recognizing his dedication from the work itself. So, lalaki siya. As he travels to the furthest to get to work each RTO day, often during lengthy commutes with resilience. So, what is resilience? So, congratulations! This award is proudly presented to Jerry Duaves.
Wala pa siya.
Wala si Jerry. Dr. Jerry, congratulations to you. So, okay. Janine?
Ito guys, narinig niyo na siya kumanta kanina.
Yes.
Galing sa kanyang pagkagising. Sino kaya ito? Nakalagay Human Megaphone Award
May 500 yun ha, PJ. Tsaka Ate S ninyo.
Ayan, grabe na bagay kay Mary yung kanyang award. Kasi, parang sa Abiel kanina, actually sa Abiel kanina natutulog na. Narinig niya yung kanta niya, bumalik siya dito. So, our next award is, wait lang, ang ating next award ay MoMA Award. Okay. So, what is MoMA Award? According to my papel, MoMA Specialist Award is given to this employee for acknowledging his mastery in MoMA navigation for both personal and professional needs. Congratulations to Dallin Chris! Dallin Chris, congratulations for the MoMA Award! Okay. PLD is Womanizer Saya. Wala siya.
Wala siya na. Saya, wala pa si Kineme.
Thank you so much.
Masabi.
Siyempre, ang next award natin, bibigay ko sa baby boy natin. Sino kaya si baby boy? Okay, the next award goes to, hindi niya alam ito yung hidden talent na talaga. Hindi niyo nga alam anong hidden. So, eto, first time siguro siyang marinig today na kumanta. And I'm giving this award, the Old Songs Guru Award to Joshua Moyna. Guys, hindi ko lang nalaman ang galing na talaga ko.
Yes, magaling siya kumanta actually.
Ano dyan, Mizel? Isang pili naman, oh. Sa ako, hindi mo siya na.
Magaling sa kanya. Okay, our next award is Free Finder Award. So what is the Free Finder Award? Sabi dito, is given to this employee for always discovering and purchasing free offers, samples, or office perks benefiting both themselves and their colleagues. Congratulations to Leonard Alan Fernandez. Free Finder.
May 500 yan na search ninyo. Sige, hindi yung Ate S niyo ha.
Thank you so much! Okay, our next award goes to, syempre sikat na sikat siya sa ating office na nagdadala ng pagkain. Sino yun? Ang dami, di ba? Pero ito ay ating ang favorite mommy. The Office Snack Guru Award goes to Gray Luya. This award celebrates our resident culinary hero and ensures no one ever goes hungry. Mommy Gray!
Ayan, Miss Mao.
Mommy Gray! Woo! Dahil siya nagluluto siya na sinigang. Ayan na, Mommy Gray, halika dito. Ito na ang iyong award. May kasamang sinigang.
Pero, kami taga-chicken ang knowledge kay Francis de Berna. Kasi sobrang nag-effort siya sa kanya pagpapa-rebang. Kung rebang ba yan? Or ano?
Hindi mo kinaya yung box mo. Ang 25 year old. Mommy Gray, ito ang iyong award. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Okay, our next award is the Iron Man Award. Iron Man Award. Dapat Iron Woman kasi ito biling natin award sa siyang babae. So, ano yung Iron Woman Award? Sabi dito, present this unique employee award sa who consistently goes above and beyond in their work, demonstrating a strong work ethic and commitment to excellence. They are reliable, dependable, and always extra effort to get the job done. Congratulations to Jonica Grace Lingo. So, wala yung Kimi Janine.
Sir Renz! Sir Renz, Siyempre, hindi natin makakalimutan. Ito yung isa natin favorite na office mate na lagi nagtatanong, what is it? Anong araw nga ngayon? Kilala na kaagad nila, and this award goes to Bernadette Navarro. Berna! O bakit? Ito na lang. Anong araw ngayon? Bakit ako?
Alam mo kung bakit kasi naka-jumper siya?
Ayan!
Hindi ka lang daw tumitingin na calendar invite.
Okay, and na tayo. Congratulations for that award. Okay guys, before we proceed sa ating next award is, sabi ni Miss Jen, magpapalaro na kami. Okay, natawagan ko si Jezebel. Ito ba yun? Ating game master. Sila mo na ba?
Baka umalis
Oh,
na
sige
sila
na.
eh.
Sige, tapusin natin yung award kasi pakamal sila. Okay, ang ating next award ay the Social Media Award. Sabi dito, yung Social Media Award daw ay unique at fun award designed to celebrate college, the hard work, dedication, and extensible to their personal skills employees. Bakit siya Social Media Award? Bakit? Most of the third one. Lorene Gayama. Congratulations. Ay, yung next award.
Sabi natin, bilisan daw natin, sobrang lang lang mga yan. Itong next award natin ay parang... Sabi mo, bilisan mo. Siyempre, the next award natin para sa most disciplined person na nakikita natin sa office na lagi kumakain ng salad.
Ay, parang
Sino to? Sino to? The Keto Diet Master Award goes to Anna Jamila Diaz. This award celebrates a truly disciplined individual who has mastered the art and science of the keto gene.
napakahaba naman ang ano niya.
Wow! Ito nga na ang iyong award ni Zen. Zen!
Diba?
Ganda kayo dyan.
Iba para si Angel Locsin lang yan.
Keto Diet Master.
Yes.
Thank you, Zoom.
Ah!
Kasi kaya ng bilisan
Ang
kasi
ating
ito.
award ay ating Preach Award. Kung ang binigyan kayo niya ng asawa, at ang mga asawa din. Congratulations to PJ Apalesha. Ang award ay the Emerald Preach Award. So, ano yung sabihin mo? Alam niya lagi kung kailan meron refill sa country. Diba? Paano mo kami dapat
Sir Rems, nag-picture lang po. Ay, saan ko daw yung... Sana po si Sir Rems saka yung mama niya sila. Mom! And our next award goes to the Walking United Nation Award. This is presented to... Wala niyo alam din. Mami She! Para sa iyo, ang award na ito, halika na! This award celebrates a truly global citizen among us, an individual who embodies the spirit of international connection like no other! Pang-United Nations ka talaga! Ito na ang mga Pilipino nagpapasakop.
Sa ano siya ngayon? Sa Indian.
Sila ka na doon
Sa
sa
Indian. Tapos na siya sa Middle East. The Walking United Nation.
Pinaka-version award ng Mami She.
Tapos ka na kasi sa Middle East.
Si Mami Michelle, nagpasakot sa mga banyaga.
Sakop na sakop.
Maraming salamat.
The Walking United
Kaya, ang ating next award ay the Note Taker Award. Parang hindi ko siya kailangan sabihin kung sino pa siya. So, this award goes to Maria Lourdes Serrano. So, ano yung, the Note Taker Award? Siyempre, from the word itself, meron siya laging notes sa kanyang case. Alright, then, we are reliably organized and are able to keep track of important deals and follow congratulations, Maria Lourdes. Ay, ako na Gina. Kasi ito.
Ay, ang ganda ng award na to. Pang mga ano, pang mga, ano ba, thriller. This award goes to the individual whose romantic life remains as wild, untamed, and wonderfully unexplored as the Amazon itself, thriving in glorious, undisturbed growth.
Ang bongga naman ng unexplored.
Para kanina kaya ito. Ibinibigay natin ang award nito, the Amazon Rainforest Award goes to Warren Ray.
Ang bongga naman ng
Ang
unexplored.
buong ating
Unexplored. Kung meron tayong congratulations, meron tayong unexplored.
At kaya reliable bro. Ano yung tumubo sa unexplored na yun?
tayo natin unexplored. Para kami lumang ano. Hindi pa natatamnan.
Correct!
So, kailangan tamnan.
Kaya reliable bro.
Okay, our next award is the Team Alchemist Award. So, ano yung Team Alchemist Award? Whenever it comes in God vision, this person is always capable of coming out with something fantastic ideas and putting things together. You can imagine working with someone like me. So, congratulations! This award is presented to Richard Nachon. Sir, yes.
Nagustuhan mo ba yung ano mo? Nagustuhan mo
Ang
ba?
next award ay Kuto Award.
Tama kayo, di ba?
Ang next award natin ay para sa isang performer like me. Wow, di mo
Yes, of course, Jane.
Okay. Ano, surprisingly, makakalimutin daw siya. So, meron na tayo si Bernard. Sino kaya yung isa? This award is affectionately given to the person whose daily routine often involves a spirited scavenger hunt for their essentials. The makakalimutin award goes to Rom Sabanalo.
Pinago namin.
Ako, makakalimutin yun.
Dapat eh, reclusion. Ay, ginawan mo ito naman. Grabe ka na. Lagi kasi lagi wala yung cellphone. Lagi naghahanap na sa cellphone niya.
Ayan! Sa ating next award naman, the Question Asker Award. So, ano yung the Question Asker Award? Alam mo ba, Mate? Siyempre, alam ko. Kasi sabi dito, ask the best questions, consistently posing insightful and thought-provoking questions to drive more profound understanding in discussions. So, this award is proudly presented to Daniela Padua.
Yes! Dani, asan ka na?
Dani!
Dani, kanina ka magtatanong. Dani, nakadwa, asan ka na?
Dani!
Kapapaligilan ka na namin.
Daniela Padua!
Makain na siya.
Daniela Padua!
Sorry, Dani, ano. Lunukin mo muna yan.
Miss Daniela!
Dani, kailangan mo ng panula, kaya pagkita ko.
Pinakatala siya pala yung first.
Go, Daniela.
Kasama sa gilid, nakasama siya na ganito. Kasama!
Sorry na, Dani.
Parang naman ang tanong mo.
Dali hotdog pa.
Bago na yung tanong ni Berna, anong araw mo yun?
Ay, wow.
Okay, ang next award na ba inaabangan natin para po sa person na inaabangan natin ng kanyang kasal this year. Siyempre,
Minicen?
the Brace Yourself for Impact Award goes to Ron Suarez. This award is safely presented to the couple embarking on their honeymoon, recognizing the exhilarating anticipation of what's to come.
Tapos ka sa honeymoon na.
Kala ko nag-
Tigpay ka talaga dahil.
Etong award natin talaga bagay na bagay sa kanya kasi kapag ito yung kwentuhan talaga pag puro kalimutan siya talaga naman puro. Madaya kasi alam yung mga award na sila yung gumawa na ito. Yung award nito ay the Green Jug Girl Award. So every time nag-ano kami sa pantry, makaliligan siya ng jewelry or something like that. Sinaklang ko kalipa sa takbo sa pantry para makag-usap. Okay. This award is proudly presented to Katsuan! Dapat ko yung ulit.
Hindi ba ako?
Alam na ba yun, friend?
Hindi naman ko
Thank you,
makalipas.
Franz. Meron tayo kasi na ginagawa mo sa buhay. Okay, our next award goes to the person who tackles any challenge head-on with unwavering self-assurance, and their confidence is infectious, inspiring everyone around them to believe a little more in themselves. They're not just confident, they're a force to be reckoned with. At ngayon ko lang nalaman na isa siyang malupit na performer. So I'm presenting this Fearless Force Award to Kayla May Diza.
Yes.
Oh, kapability ko guys.
Pero kasi huwag ka mag-jumper kapag ano, tsaka mag-aalis sa puno. Ayan, ang ating next award ay the LVF Award. So ano yung LVF Award? Sabi dito, presented to the employees' financial contributions to their beloved obsessions to make them an MVP.
Daw?
I know. Sabi dito, whose financial contributions to their beloved obsessions only make them an MVP and most valuable patron for their incredible ability to support their idols and passions. I know, kilala mo na kung sino ka. So, tinatawagan ko si, ano ba yun? Alcancer. Sabi ko nga laga, CB360.
Kaya in short, bumagastos siya para sa
Yes, dapat dalawa sila na EDSA at saka ni Madumi.
road.
Sa SB45.
SB45.
Congratulations! Pagkalakan mo.
Ayan! So, ano na gagawin natin, guys? So, tatawagan natin ang mga birthday celebrant one-on-one. No? April 2? Yes. So, who are they? Sino na yung mga birthday ngayon?
May na lang. Ay,
Hindi ba ako? Okay.
April.
April, May, June, and September.
Congratulations! Kasi nakawa is keeping me ba?
Mayo na lang, Mayo.
Ayan. So,
April po nandito.
So, hindi pa nag-celebrate kasi wala naman sila kainin natin yung cake.
Wala na? Wala na ibang part.
Kasi nag-effort yung mga team lead natin sa kasi wala naman sila dito. So, hindi natin yun. Ayan, happy birthday kay Christian. Alright, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Aaron Grace for the first time.
Congratulations, Arian! Bibigyan namin sa iyo ang iyong award kasi ano yung award. Late award goes to Joke lang, Arian.
Josh! Pwede ka dito.
Happy birthday.
hawakan na lang natin. Para sa kapatid mo, nawawala. At sa TL nyo,
Ay, ba't ikaw lang?
wala pa yung dalawa kong kapatid.
The United Nations of...
Pakita namin sa chocolate.
After picture ng case, bibigyan ko ang award ni Arian. Thank you so much. Arian, welcome sa iyo.
Wait, napapasahin mo ni Chino yung ano,
Oo,
award.
man. Ito yung award ni Arian, guys. Lalagyan ko ng ating French. This award goes to the cafe connoisseur who truly expresses themselves through every brew. The espresso yourself award goes to Arian Gracia. Wow! Thank you guys so much for participating. At dahil dyan, gagawin na natin ang ating first day ng Con On.
Okay, so everyone out there, can you please go back here and stage? Yes, we'll be happy. Okay. Maluwig. Lahat ba maglalaro?
Kasi kung hindi sila maglalaro.
Okay, ang una nating game master ay si, syempre, yung ating Boracay Beach Ball with a 23-inch waistline. Jezebel de la Torre, ang Serena ng Emilia.
Tatlong five. Kaya ba?
Hindi na lang.
Huwag na daw tayo muna ng games, tayo ay kumain muna. Mag-set up muna tayo kasi yung sinigang, hindi pa ng ating basket chef.
Yan, so
Yung pinauminom mo na ng tubig pool para malasing.
Nakasama siya yung first na kasama ko sa gina.
Ay, mag-distribute din ng souvenirs para sa guys. Pag hindi kayo nakakuha
Remember me this week?
Sige pa, kanta ka pa dyan. Kaya na kung tayo.
May mga kantahan pang 90s.
Hindi ako matangakot, mahihiya.
decote. Vicia a novela descer, descer.
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back. Go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. With the DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
She my hero for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets. Cause I know she gon' keep 'em. Ain't nothing come between us.